This is the Emerson model, one of the more difficult ones to assemble. Important here that you unpack the whole modular, set it up in your room as you would like to see it, and then we can start putting it together. It's important to note that there are two different clip sets on this. This is the first one. As you can see, it drops in and down, and on the second piece it is simply a set of pins. The same steps are again repeated as you come around the modular. Line up the pins with the previous piece that you've installed. Now joining the second piece, quite simple. Follow the same procedure. The pins line up with the black clips, put them together and listen to them lock into place.